Bluetooth.
Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Homage to the Exalted One, the Worthy One, the Perfectly Enlightened One. I have explained insight meditation, the practice of insight meditation in details until the realization of the first path. Sotapanna Magga in English is called stream state. Now this presentation is today I'm making just to thank my teachers, but I also remind you certain facts, some facts about the realization. I hope is going to be helpful for everyone who's interested in this kind of practice. I will also read in my language, Sinhalese language, and translate into English. Sohan Margeta Pavinimen Ativana Angapasa. When one attains the first realization, Sotapanna Magga, the stream in a state, this kind of realization is divided into 5 points. They have given 5 points how one feels at that time. Number 1, Anitya Dukkha Anatma Yana Lakshana Trayan Ekak Sihivima. The meditator will experience one of the 3 characteristics. They are anicca. The 3 characteristics are anicca, impermanent, dukkha, suffering, anatta is no self. So the meditator will experience one of the 3. Papua Samipe Gasmak Ativima. There will be slight vibration around the chest. Rupa Dharma, Nama Dharma, Nasigyakmen Danima. That he feels at once the mind and bodily objects, or in short, mind and body, completely ceased and go into kind of unawareness. Sometimes he feels when the mind is there, the mental objects disappear and then gradually mind disappears. This kind of understanding is called Anuloma Jnana. Number 2, the second point is Rupa Nama Dharman Vidulyakmen Niruddhavima. At once the mentality and materiality of the mind and the body completely, like a lightning speed, they disappear. Anusaya Kalesa Skandhya Niruddhavima, Nivan Aramnuvima Devani Angya. All the defilements, they come to a cessation and they realize Nirvana or Nibbana. The third point is Rupa Dharma, Nama Dharma Niruddhavi Nevata Siya Labu Avastave Sarire Silva Pramudita Bhave Tumanange. The third point is when the mind and the body or mental and material objects completely disappear or completely come to cessation. One feels when the when the meditator again come to awareness, the meditator feels a kind of a cooling sensation around the chest. And he feels very refreshing and very kind of a joyful state. Number 4, මම මාර්ගඵලය ලැබුවේ විශේෂ ධර්ම අවබෝධය ලැබුවෙමි අපාය බයින් මිදුණෙමි යනාදි වශයෙන් ප්‍රත්‍යක්ෂ වීම සිවන අංගය. The fourth point is that the meditator come to know, or I have attained the realization. I have gained a special knowledge, a wisdom. And I am now free of the 4 great hells. That means that he will come to know that he is not going to be born in the 4 great hells until he realizes, until he come to the final realization, or until he be able to purify the mind completely. So attaining the first stage will help to purify the mind slightly, not completely. Attaining the first realization will help to get rid of doubts about the Buddha, his teaching and his monks, doubt about the past or future, and doubts about the benefits of offering and so many things. And he will be free of rites and rituals. He is not going to depend on something, some tree or stone, or respecting that something like that, that he will think that he can realize, or that he will be able to purify his mind by respecting to a tree or stone or something. He won't do that hereafter. And he also free of Sakkaya Ditthi, that he comes to know that there is only mind and body. There exists no soul in here. There is no permanent entity that transmigrates from life to life. They are just a process, the mind and body process. They just arise and passing away. There is the movements, but there is no one does that movement. There exists nobody called I, ego, or soul or something. Number 5, that he අපාය බයින් මිදීම මිනිස් ලෝව දෙව්ලොව සත්වාරයකට වඩා ඉපදීමක් නැති බව සසර ජාත්‍යාදී දුක් වලින් මිදුණු බව සැලකීමෙන් වැඩි සතුටට පත්වීම නිසා ඒ බව ප්‍රකාශ කිරීමට ඇතිවන සතුට නිසා නිදා ගැනීම පවා එපා වී අනුන්ට ප්‍රකාශ කිරීමේ ආශාවෙන් යුක්ත වීම 5 වන අංගයයි. අපාය බයින් මිදීම මිනිස් ලෝව හා දෙව්ලොව සත්වාරයකට වඩා ඉපදීමක් නැති බව. That the meditator comes to know that he is free of 4 great hells. He will never ever be born in the 4 great hells. Then he will also come to know there is only 7 lifetimes, 7 more. After this life, he will be born in 7 times. In the heavenly world or human world, only 7 times maximum, no more than that. After that, he will understand the fully realization, and he will be free from the cycle of birth and death. And because of these factors, that he become very happy, joyful, and he find hard to get some sleep because of his joyfulness. And he also feels like explaining his experience to his friends and relatives. Pratipada Satara, there are this meditation, insight meditation is divided into four ways of practice. There are, although many people practice insight meditation, each and everyone will experience differently, because according to the wholesome factors that they have done in the past life. Those are we call the paramitas or perfections. දුකසේ උත්සාහයෙන් අවබෝධ කරන මාර්ගය දුක්ඛා පටිපදා නමයි. Some meditators practice, undergo much pain when they practice, and it takes a very long time to attain. වැඩි උත්සාහයක් නැතුව අවබෝධ කරන මාර්ගය සුඛා පටිපදා. Some meditators do not undergo much suffering, pain, but with comfortably they practice and attain enlightenment. කෙලෙස් පහවීමෙන් ලබන මාර්ගය දණ්ඩා පිඤ්ඤාණය. Some meditators will be able to free from defilements, and they will attain very slowly. It will take many months, many days, many months, maybe many years. It takes a long time for them to attain. කෙලෙස් පහවීමෙන් වහාම අවබෝධ වන මාර්ගය කිප්පා විඥානයි. Some meditators, when they practice, they be able to free from all defilements, kilesas, and they be able to attain this state within a short period. මේ මාර්ගයේ පැමිණි පුද්ගලයා මතු මාර්ග සඳහා භාවනා කරන්නේ නම් මතු මාර්ග ලැබේවා කියා අධිෂ්ඨාන කොට ඉහත දැක්වූ විපස්සනා භාවනා ඉදිරියට කරගෙන යා යුතුය. That means those who have attained the first magga, the first path, the realization of the sotapanna or the stream inner state, if they want to attain into higher path, they have to determine, they have to say mentally, may I experience the higher paths. And then keep on practicing insight meditation as the way they have done before. එසේ භාවනා කිරීමෙන් මතු මාර්ගයන්ට නොපැමිණෙන්නේ නම් නැවත තමා ලැබුවා වූ ඵලසිතට සමවැදී විවේකයක් ගත හැකිය. But after practicing for a long time in order to attain the higher path, if the meditator does not reach that higher level, he can take rest by entering into the fruit of Nibbana that he already has. ලැබුවා වූ ඵලසිත නැවත ලැබේවා කියා අධිෂ්ඨාන කිරීමෙන් එසේ ඵල සමාපත්තියන්ට සමවැදිය හැකිය. In order to enter into the fruit of Nibbana that he has already attained, the meditator has to determine, may I experience the fruit of Nibbana. Then gradually, when the 5 faculties mature and come to a same level, and then he'll be able to enter into the fruit of Nibbana. The 5 faculties are Saddha, faith, Virya, effort, Sati, mindfulness, Samadhi, concentration, Panya, wisdom. When these 5 faculties come to the same level, then he'll be able to enter into the fruit of Nibbana. සමහරෙකුට මිනිත්තු ගණනක් තවත් සමහරෙකුට පැය ගණනක් ඵල සමාපත්තියේ සිටිය හැකිය. Some meditators will be able to abide in the fruit of Nibbana for few minutes, and some be able to stay hours. When you enter into the fruit of Nibbana, you do not know where you are, as if dead and born. Like you do not know. For example, when you have been practicing breathing meditation, and at that time, if you enter into the fruit of Nibbana, slowly everything will disappear, and you go into unawareness. And then after a few minutes or a few seconds or a few hours, when you come back, and slowly you will start from the same point that you have been noticing before. This is not a sleep. If you have been sleeping, when you remember, when you get up, the head is bent down, and your mind will be always on another object, not at the same place. For example, if you have been noticing pain, like paining, and when you enter into the Nibbana, fruit of Nibbana, at that time, you go into unawareness. When you come back again, when you are aware again, you will start at the same point. Some meditators enter into the fruit of Nibbana while walking. For example, if he starts walking, for example, if he is aware, if he apply awareness around somewhere around the feet, and if we keep noticing as lifting, keeping, at that time he be able to enter into the Nibbana or the fruit of Nirvana. And when he walks to the other corner, he will come to know himself. When he walks to the other corner, he will not remember in the middle part. But still he was in the fruit of Nibbana, in the Palachitta, but still he walks, but he did not know that he was walking. When he goes to the other corner, he comes to know that he is there. දෙවනි මාර්ගයට පැමිණි පුද්ගලයාගේ සිතේ බර සැහැල්ලු වීම හරියට කන්දක බරක් මෙන් සිත සැහැල්ලු වීමද. For example, if the Sotapanna, the stream winner, wants to experience the higher path, he has to determine, may I experience the higher path and keep on practicing insight meditation the way he has done before. And if he is lucky, he will reach the second realization called Sakadagami, or once returner. When he realized that, at once he will go into unawareness. When he comes back, he feels that a kind of a cooling sensation, like that you have kept some ice on your chest. And he also feels that he has dropped a heavy burden, heavy such as a mountain. And he will wonder where this kind of heaviness exists in this little body. රාත්‍රියේ හරියට පාන්දර අරුණාලෝකයේ මෙන් කහ පැහැති විදුලිය පැහැති එළියක් පවතින ඇත. And also he will experience kind of in the night, kind of a yellowish color light all around him. He could see through walls, he could see outside garden, he will see as windows and doors are open at night. And when he really go and check the windows and doors, he finds they are closed, but he will see through that, and he will be able to see outside garden. That happens with this light. එම එළියෙන් රාත්‍රියේ මිදුල බවක් පෙනෙන්නට වේ. Yeah. With the help of that light, he'll be able to see the outside garden in the night. Those who know or those who have studied the Buddha Dhamma, the teaching of the Buddha, Mama, I will read in Sinhala language. ධර්මය දන්නා අයට මම නැවත එක්වරක් පමණක් මනුෂ්‍ය ලෝකයට පැමිණෙන්නේ කියා සිත් පහළ වේ. When the person attains the second realization, and if he has studied Buddhism, he will come to know that I will come to this world only once, no more than that. I will be born in the higher realms. එලිමහනේ පෙනෙන්නට තිබෙන දේවල් තමාට අයිතියක් නැති බවත් තමාගේ සම්බන්ධයෙන් නැති බව වැටේ. You will also come to know the outside garden, the flowers, all these buildings that doesn't belong to me. They don't belong to me anymore. As if he finds his mind is free of attachment. රාත්‍රියේ පෙනෙන ආලෝකය නිසා කැමති නම් නොනීදා සිටීමට හැකි වේ. Because of a yellowish reddish color light around him, that he feels that he can stay awake all night. He feels very joyful, kind of a very cooling sensation. Body feels very light, and some meditators don't want to sleep, or they don't feel like sleeping in the night. Now I am going to thank everyone. බුරුම රටේ අපාත්ති වදාළ භාවනා කම්මඨානාචාර්ය ගරු බදන්ත සෝබන මහසිෂ්‍යයඩෝ මහානායකයන් වහන්සේ සහ මගේ ගුරුවරයා වන දැනට හීල්පත් කළ සුමතිපාල නාහිමි ආරණ්‍ය සෙනසුනේ කම්මඨානාචාර්ය ගරු කිඩගම්මුල්ලේ පේමසිරි නායක ස්වාමින් වහන්සේට සහ ශ්‍රී ලංකා කඳුබොඩ විපස්සනා මධ්‍යස්ථානයේ වැඩ සිටි සහ වැඩ සිටින සියලු ස්වාමින් වහන්සේලාටද මගේ ගෞරවය පුද කරමි. I pay my respect to the most venerable Badanta Sobana Mahashishayado Mahanayaka Thero, the chief monk of the Burmese, who was the meditation instructor, who founded our meditation center in Sri Lanka at Kandubode, and he is from Burma. And also I have great respect, and I pay my respect to my teacher, who is the great Mahasi Shayado. The great Venerable Mahasi Shayado passed away many years back. And so I pay my respect to him. And then my teacher is still living, and he is the chief monk, the abbot of the Sumati Pala Nahimi Aranya Senasana. and he is the chief meditation instructor in the village called Hilpatgala, and the name of the center is Sumatipala Nahimi Aranya Senasuna. So, the most venerable Sumatipala Mahatheros, the forest meditation center. And my teacher is most venerable Premasiri Nayaka Swami was the most venerable Premasiri Nayaka Thero. And he is a member of Sri Lanka Kandubada Vipassana Bhavana Madhyam. The member of the Sri Lanka Kandubada Insight Meditation Center. And he was the chief instructor at that time when I ordained there. And also I have my respect, I pay my respect to all the monks of the Kandubada International Vipassana Insight Meditation Center in Sri Lanka. And I pay respect to America, Canada, Australia, England, යන රටවල අපට උපකාර කළ සියලුම සංඝයාන් වහන්සේලා ඇතුළු සියලු දායකාවන්ට මගේ ගෞරවය පුද කරමි. I pay respect to all the devotees who have helped me, who resides in America, England, Australia, and Puerto Rico, who have helped me, who supported me, and all the time. So I pay my respect to them. Americaවේ Washington DC නගරේ Washington බෞද්ධ විහාරාධිපති ගරු මහරගම ධම්මසිරි නායක ස්වාමීන් වහන්සේ විසින් ඇමරිකාවට ආරාධනා කිරීම ගැන සහ එයට අතීත දුන් වජිරා උපාසිකාවන්ටද මාගේ ගෞරවය පුද කරමි. I pay my respect to the most venerable Buddhist monk, Venerable Maharagama Dhammasiri Mahanayaka Thero, who is the abbot of the Washington Buddhist Vihar in Washington DC, and who invited me to teach meditation at his center, who helped me to come to the United States, and there was who introduced me to him, the lady who was very helpful to me in introducing him. The lady's name is Vajira, Mrs. Vajira, who a Sri Lankan lady who helped me. I pay my respect to her. අපවත්ති වදාළ කඳුබඩ විපස්සනා භාවනා මධ්‍යස්ථානාධිපති ගරු කහටපිටියේ සුමතිපාල නායක ස්වාමීන් වහන්සේ සහ ගරු රේරුකාණේ චන්දවිමල මහානායක ස්වාමීන් වහන්සේ ඇතුළු නායක ස්වාමීන් වහන්සේලාට මගේ ගෞරවය පුදමි. I want to pay my respect to a late, the most venerable Kahatapitiya Sumatipalan Mahanayaka, the great chief monk, who was the the chief or the abbot of the Kandubada Insight Meditation Center in Sri Lanka, and also the late most venerable Rerukane Chanda Vimala Mahanayaka, the great monk of our Kandubada branch and the chief monk of the Savajin sect in Sri Lanka. Savajin sect. Savajin is a village in Burma, and they introduced Buddhism, insight meditation, mostly by the Savajin sect. I also pay my respect to Janmantara Gato Mage Demapianta Sa Naganiyata Janmantara Gato Siluma Nyati Tamitra Dinte Swarga Sapa Kalavar Nivan Suakte Vaipa. I also pay my respect and to my late parents and my sister Curly, and also my past relatives and friends. May they attain Nibbana. May they realize the truth someday. දැනට කොරෝනා රෝගයෙන් පෙළෙන සියලු සත්වයෝ සුවපත් වෙත්තා, නිරෝගී වෙත්තා. ජන්මාන්තරගතෝ සියලු සත්වයෝ දේව මානසික සම්පත්තිය කෙලවර නිවනින් සැනසීම ලබත්තා. Now I want to bless all the people who are suffering from this coronavirus, and may they become well soon, may they have a long life. And those who have passed away, may they attain the realization, Nibbana. May they be free from the cycle of birth and death someday. මේ දේශනාවට සවන් දීපු ඔබ සැමට කවදා හෝ භවයේ සංසාර දුක්ඛෙන් එතර වී ලබන නිර්වාණය සාක්ෂාත් කර ගැනීමට හේතු වාසනා වේවා. සමගයේ ජන්මාන්තරගත වූ ඥාතීත මිත්‍රාදීන්ට නිවන් සුවක් වේවා. Those who have been listening to my presentation, I want to wish for those who have been listening this, I want to wish that they attain Nirvana, Nibbana, that they be able to, may they be able to realize the truth in this very life. Samage Janmantargato Nyatita Mitra Dinta Nivansuatya. I also wish that your past relatives and friends attain the supreme enlightenment and free from the cycle of birth and death. Navala Lakkana, that's my name. Las Vegas, I live in Las Vegas. And my email is lankalakka, LANK, lakka, LAKK, @gmail.com. I thank you for listening. May all living beings be well,